my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. A line unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, it's been approximately 30 days, YouTube, since we began our growing carrots in buckets experiment right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. I'm going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what our carrots in buckets are looking like just 30 days after planting. But before I do that, YouTube, I'm going to take this moment to give you guys a look at what our carrots in buckets were currently looking like in our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our carrots in buckets are currently looking like right here, right now, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see the tremendous amount of growth that our carrots in buckets have put on in approximately the past 2 weeks? If we brought you guys our first video update on our carrots in buckets. They are indeed looking fantastically well here, YouTube. Most of you guys who have grown carrots or considering growing carrots, you may know that carrots, most varieties of carrots are indeed not warm weather crops, and it is far past warm here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. That's why we indeed proceeded to conduct our carrot growing experiment in buckets. We move our carrots out here in the sun first thing in the morning. When the sun gets up towards the heat of the day, we move our carrots to a more shady area. Once the sun passes over our house and begins to set behind our house, we bring our carrots back out in the evening and set them back out in our front yard garden extended grow area. And this is indeed, YouTube, this is indeed how much our carrots in buckets have grown for us right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel in approximately the past 30 days. And we couldn't possibly, YouTube, be more pleased by what we see in the rate in which our carrots in buckets are indeed growing and the way that our foliage actually looks on our carrots. We'll bring you guys back for another update on our carrots in buckets in approximately 3 to 4 weeks and show you what they are indeed looking like at that time. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. And if you're not already subscribed to Homegrown Veggies channel, the channel that actually inspired us to conduct our growing carrots in buckets experiment, click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to their channel and see exactly what it is that they're growing in their gardens over there as well. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Jah for letting this light you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. of a boss. Each time